Hello. Just a quick update. Not a huge amount going on at the minute. I just came over this evening because I haven't actually seen all the lights on in the dark, and I especially want to see the outside ones on. So other than that, I have been here sorting out our internet. We're just kind of getting it all set up. But look at those speeds. That is crazy. We will never have an issue with internet here, thank God. Our tiling is starting tomorrow, so hopefully that won't take too long. But we got wood effect tiles. I'll put on a few lights and show you. So that's the tiles, but like each one is totally different because the guy in the shop told us that the people who make it or make them actually cut down a tree, sliced it all up, got like a copy of it, and then like did a print onto tiles basically, and so they're all different. But yeah, it was kind of hard to source them, but like we weren't sure if we were going to be able to get them or not, and if we'd be waiting months and months for them. But the crowd we bought it off of were brilliant and managed to get them for us, so one happy gal. We have flies everywhere, so if anybody knows why there is flies in, I feel like, every corner of the room, I just feel like it makes the place feel dirty. So I've hoovered up most of like the corners in each of the rooms, but there's still a few that have managed to get away from me. But if anyone knows why, for starters, they're coming into the house, or how I can get rid of them, please let me know, because they are disgusting. We got the heating turned on, so that was on like all last week. It's off now, obviously, because tiling is starting tomorrow. But that as well. So the plumber has it commissioned and everything to 27 degrees. So we're under the impression that like it kicks out and kicks back in again. But according to Stephen, the air to water pump outside hasn't kicked out, like it hasn't turned off. Is that normal? Does anybody know if that's normal? Please let me know. Because we're envisioning just having to hand over an entire month's salary for the first ESB bill. Now we're not here all the time either, so it could very well kick out and kick back in again, but Stephen's granddad has been up like during the day and stuff like that, and it's still been kicked in. And, like, it's only at 27 degrees and the house has been at a constant 22 without the heating on, so we didn't think there'd be that much to dry out underneath the floor. Maybe there is, but again, if that's normal, I don't know. If anyone can shed a bit of light on that, that'd be fantastic. We did get our bins after. Very grown-up thing to be looking after, or getting excited about even. They are full already, so they're ready to be collected. But other than that, we don't really have that many updates. It's still a little bit bright outside, but we'll see if we can see the lights on. Oh, they look so nice. I'm going to stay until it gets a little bit darker though, just so we can see them in their full effect. But also, our neighbour is outside doing stuff, so I don't want him to think I'm crazy and talking to myself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We got not that it's a really amazing thing, we have our internet up here. We just got a little floating shelf for it. This is handy. I messed up all the wires. It was really tidy. Stephen probably will kill me when he sees it, but I'm not tall enough to fix everything. And I have been hoovering all the floors in the kitchen, the hall and stuff like that. This is the hoover that we were using. It's actually like a wet and dry kind of carpet cleaner hoover that we got from Lidl. But it's really good, and we didn't want to ruin our Dyson. The only thing is we have been so rough with it that we have lost 2 wheels. So it's currently at a bit of an angle, and when the bag fills up then it starts like clogging up. So yeah, I may fix that or super glue them back on. We also had the shower trays put in. So what we're going to do, like in this ensuite, is we're thinking black tiles for the walls and the floors, and then like a wood effect tile. I was thinking just behind the shower head, but Stephen went and ordered them for like this part as well, so behind the entire shower. But it'll be something a little bit different, so we'll see how that goes. It's crazy, the shower trays look huge because I'm so used to a tiny little shower in the mobile. Like, it'll be weird to have such a big shower, although we have to start like looking at doors or something, or panels for them, because we know if we just get like a shower curtain, we will be the worst in the world and it'll look a bit shit. Plus we'll be like, oh, it's fine, there's no real hurry on it. That thing does the job. So no, we're gonna go straight for it. But yeah, that's all of the updates here this week. Just the tiling going on now from tomorrow. And we'll see how we get on with that. Hopefully have a little bit more of an update then by the end of the weekend. Have a nice little idea of what it's going to look like, because I was very fussy about the colours. So many of the wood effect tiles were too dark, or they're too light, or they're too yellow, so I'm excited to see these ones down. But yeah, that's all from me.